Hey Kara, I was just gonna, that's not me talking right now. This is a video that I made in PlayPosit. So I'm gonna play the video and you'll see what it does. So it plays me talking, right? I'm talking. And then I inserted a question. So it's gonna pause on a question. Um, and there it is. It says classes have been, and I had said in there that classes have been suspended. This is an old one. So you would have to type in suspended, submit that answer, and that is the correct answer, right? So it's just, you can just put in, so it just stops at some point. Then a student would continue on playing the video for a while. So they just watch the video, they watch me talking, and it's going to stop again in just a second and say this video is what, boring, poorly scripted, fun, or ominous. I'm going to say it's poorly scripted and boring, and submit that answer. Oh, it was also ominous. I don't know why, but that was the correct answer. So I can do that kind of all that, choose all that apply, and it gives you all those different options. When I do it, I'll show it to you. And then they click submit, and then it goes on and it plays some more. And so every time you get to a certain point that you may want to say, hey, here's a thing that I want you to know about. Oh, how many pairs of glasses am I wearing? Sometimes I wear 2 glasses. I'm only wearing 1 here, so I submit that answer. And I got that correct 1 point because I was only wearing 1 pair of glasses. So again, it just does it like that. So I just want to give you a sense of how that works.